Good morning, Kestrels. It's Miss Lenham here. I'm actually recording this on Wednesday evening because Thursday, tomorrow, I am in school and on duty, so I won't be able to post any videos or dojos. But don't worry, I'm getting this all pre-prepared, ready to help you out with your learning. So this video is for Year 4 and we are working on Roman numerals today. You're learning in your home learning books, looks like this. So let's recap our Roman numerals. I is 1, V is 5, X is 10, L is 50, C is 100, D is 500 and M is 1000. So to show you what that looks like, let's take a look at today's date. Today is Thursday the 26th of March. So we've got 26th, that's X, X, V, I. We've got the third month, March, I. And then 2020 or 2020. M, that's 2000, X is 20. Together, 2020. So let's look at how Romans use these symbols to build up their numbers. Now there's a couple of rules to remember with Roman numerals. You can only have the same symbol 3 times in a row before they have to change the way in which they write their numbers. So let's work from 1 to 10 to see how that works. 1 would be I, 2 would be I, 3 is I. But now we've used our maximum of 3 symbols in a row. So 4 cannot be I. Instead, it is I, V. And the way in which the Romans would read that is 1 before 5. 5 is V. 6 is V, I. 7 is V, I. 8 is V, I. Saving myself some time there. 9, we've used our 3 symbols in a row here, so we're actually going to have I, X, which is 1 before 10, and then of course we've got 10 being X. Hopefully that makes sense so far. If you want, this is a great time to pause the video and to recap that. Maybe chant them, maybe write them out yourself in your exercise book, just something to remind you. Okay, if you're ready to move on, we can look at how we can build up other numbers. So for example, the number 23. I've got 2 10s, so I'm going to write X, and I have 3 1s. I. It's quite common for our eyes to be all joined together like that, but it's fine equally, if you wish, to write them like this. Both is acceptable. What about the number 46? Pitch tricky one here. So another rule when taking this number into account to remember with Roman numerals is they will always put the highest value first, unless, like 9 here, we're counting back from this symbol. So I'll show you how that works. We can't put X because that's more than 3 symbols in a row. So we have to put L for 50, and it's 10 before 50. So we're going to go X, L. Now we need to work on the 6. So we need V, I. So this is the number 46. Let's try another one. Let's try the number 75. Thinking about what we've just done here with the number 46 and the number 23, pause the video and have a go at working out what this would look like in Roman numerals. So, 75. We're going to use L for 50, and I'm going to count on 1 10 makes it 60, another 10 makes it 70, So there's my 70. And now I need my 5. Looking back over here, referring back to my chart, I can see that V is 5. It's really helpful if you can jot these down in your exercise book to give yourself some practice before you move on to your worksheet. If we're looking to work up some bigger numbers, let's try the number 321. Now we're looking at the number 321. I can see that I've got 300s in this number, and referring back to my chart, I can see that the Romans use the letter C to represent 100. So if I pop a C here, we've got 100, another C is 200, and a third C is 300. That's my 300s. Next, I have 2 10s. Checking back at my chart, I can see that 10 is represented by X. So I need 1 10, 2 10s. So now I've got 320, but I'm not quite finished. One more represented with an I makes 321. CCC XXI equals 321. Any questions, please do pop them on Dojo and I will try my best to get to answer them in between my school duty tomorrow. Have a great day.